Today we are going to learn git commands from git bash. Okay, we are going to perform the git commands on git bash. Okay, open git bash first. So for the first time we have to set our username and email ID. It is already set, you can use it. So we have to change the path where we have to create the git repository. Okay, so that's why I'm opening F drive and creating a new folder. Let's do that. I'm changing the path to ex12 F drive ex12 and I am creating git repository using git init command will create git repository. You can see the message initialized empty git repository in F drive ex12. Let's check how it is. You can see git repository. Now I am creating a new file. I am creating one file in the ex12 now I created file 1 and it is master. Now I am committing. So to commit we have to first add the file to the git repository using command git add. File name is file1.txt. Now committing using command git commit -m, giving master first version. Okay, see, you can see the commit ID is 85310A0 master 1 version. The message what we are given for the version. Okay, now I am creating branch using command git branch I am giving name br1. Now the branch is created. Let's check where is the pointer. You can use the command git branch. See, you can see branch 1 and master. So while you are coding, you may use the same features like this only. The master copy, you will get the code by performing pull request. Okay, then you create a branch and whatever the changes you need, you do it. Whatever the operations, what are the functions you have to create, you will create. After the completing and after testing, you will merge to the master. Okay, so I'm opening the file 1 on branch br1, and I've changed the file now. That's why I'm writing as first version. Okay. So again I'm adding the file, because whenever there is changes you have to add the file again. For the first time creation also we have added the file. Whenever there is a modification in the file, you can add. Now it is still in the master. So there are again, I have created 2 versions. I have added it, but I have not committed anything. Okay. So I'm switching to branch. Why? Because I don't want to change anything. That's why I'm switching to branch. Okay. So if you commit in the master code, there is a choice of three-way merge. If you modify the master copy and even the branch copy and then you merge it, it will get some conflicts. So we are not discussing about it. Just we are discussing about the fast forward. Fast forward merge means we will create the copy of master in the branch as a branch, and we will do whatever the operations we require, and we will merge branch to masters. Okay. If there are n number of branches, we can create a number of branches. You can write the code by creating a number of branches. For example, if you have to perform 10 operations, you may create branch 1 and you can check whether it's working with the first operation. So you may have a doubt whether it will work or not for the creating another features or writing another code. So you can create branch 2. You can write the code for 2 operations. Similarly, you can go to branch 10 also. Okay. So I'm shifting to branch br1 by command using checkout. You check out br1 see it is saying message switch to branch br1. Now I am changing the file again. So previously I didn't save it, I think so. So I'm saving it. So adding the file 1. So when we shifted to branch br1, you think the file may be of master, but it's not the file of master. It's a file of branch itself. Okay. What the copy we are seeing is the branch itself. When we check out, the file will come. Okay. The file will be opened. Why? Because we are performing on one file, but we have a copies on the branch and masters. Okay. Now added file and again committing message. What is the commit message? on here on branch, so that's why I am typing br1 branch 1 first version and giving the message as a branch 1 first version, committing it. One file changed. Let's see the logs. Log one line. Let's type log one line. Status. See, first version, first commit was at master. Now presently the head is at branch 1 and we have also committed branch 1 version. Now I am creating second version by changing the file again. Now saving it and again we are adding the file. And again I am committing it. We are committing second commit, so I am giving second one as a message as second version. Okay. Now you can see logs. Master is at master 1 is created with one version, is committed with one version. Branch has two versions, one version and two versions. It has committed 2 times. Now I am merging. So to merge it, we have to go to the master. So how we will go? We will use the command checkout. Checkout. And shift it to master. Saying switch it to master. Okay. You can see here master. Now I am merging command using command called git merge. So what is the what we want to merge? Branch 1. So that's why I am typing br1. See here git merge br1 updated. It is fast forward. It is a fast forward merge. Why? Because when we created branch, we are not performing any commits on the master. We are switching to branch and we can create a number of commits and we will merge the code. We will merge it to the master. Okay. You can see by opening logs, references, how many commits I have given for branch? 2 versions. You can clearly see commit branch 1 first version, branch 1 second version. Okay, created from master. It's the logs of branch. I created only one version and merge from branch. You can see this, and what the merge is fast forward. So we have used all the git basic commands in this video.